I reside in Parma. Been there now about 30 years. I had a door that, again, you get what you pay for. You didn't know if the lock was locking the door. You always got to check it. It was time. I needed two hands to open this door and close it. I worked down the street, so I would pass this building quite often. I was going to go with another competitor. Came in here. They showed me the door right away. At one time, I didn't know they made a fiberglass door. Thought it was just vinyl or wood or steel. When I arrived here and they told me about fiberglass, I'm thinking, fiberglass is strong. You think a boat is fiberglass. It's got to have the strength with weather and water and everything else. So that evening, I wasn't even planning on paying or buying a door that day. I was just going to get some prices from different competitors. When the salesperson, Sean, arrived at my house, first they told me what time they were going to be there, and I tell you what, they were early. They were there. Very personable, professional. He came in, sat down. I thought he was a friend forever. He explained the door, no pressure at all, and I was honest with him. I told him, I says, you know what, I'm not buying a door today. I says, I'm going to get prices. He says, go get prices. But after he was done with the brochures and the information and showing what they had, the security of the door, the strength of the door, the fiberglass of the door, the screen, the double lock on the bottom so my wife would feel more safe when she was at the house, the handles. I could not believe that all I needed was one finger to open and close this door. That's how easy this thing was. You can't even hear the wind outside. So you can tell that the product is strong, it's made well, and again, you can't hear anything outside, so that right there, I guarantee is going to save me money and electricity. And with the warranty they offered, was unbelievable. If you're looking for warranty, this is the place to come. Installation was fantastic. So I was there when he arrived, and then I had to leave afterwards, but my wife remained there at the house when he installed the door. But when my wife called, she says, you can't believe this, the door's in, it's perfect. And then I have a vinyl siding on the outside. Perfect. Yeah, how they put the vinyl siding on the outside, like the door was brand new, like they never even put a hole in the wall. And I'm very meticulous of my house and everything. And after they were done, I didn't find one, even the caulk around the woodwork was perfect. These guys were amazing, cleaned up after they were done. What they did then is they have somebody respond, another person, a couple weeks later, just to make sure that installation was done correctly. And they came there again and checked the installation. It was perfect. Once it was all completed, my wife says, man, look, you can see outside, even with the screen. It just brightened up the room. It's just a great, great door. After this whole entire adventure of buying this door, I'm so glad I bought it. And I'm glad I'm part of that Marvin family, because that's how they treated you. They treated you like they were part of the family. From start to finish, I'm so glad that I purchased Infinity from Marvin.